Right, so question 4. This is about magnesium and magnesium chloride. So A, magnesium chloride contains magnesium ions. I'm going to highlight that. And chloride ions. So straight away, without looking at anything else, I'm looking at the word ions and thinking ionic bonding. I'm also thinking that magnesium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. So that's just going to confirm to me as well that it's ionic bonding. So I should be thinking of electron transfer. And electrostatic forces. It says, describe in terms of electrons what happens when a magnesium atom reacts with chlorine atoms to produce magnesium chloride. Now, this is a little bit harder, this question, because it doesn't give you any pictures to help you, but I'm still going to do it exactly the same way as I have done the last 3 questions. So it's 4 marks, so I'm going to start with 4 bullet points. And I'm going to go with how I've done each question. So I'm going to start with the metal. So I know that all metals lose their electrons to form positive ions. So I'm going to say magnesium loses. If I look at my periodic table, I can see that magnesium is in group 2. So it's going to lose 2 of its electrons to form a 2 positive ion. If magnesium is a metal and it loses 2 of its electrons, we can see here that it says it's got a 2 positive ion, which is fantastic. That's what we've got. The chlorine has got a 1 minus ion, so that means it's the non-metal. It must gain 1 electron. If it's a 1 minus ion, it's gained 1 electron. So I'm going to write that. Chlorine gains 1 electron to form a -1 ion. Now we can see that magnesium's lost 2 electrons, chlorine's only gained 1. So the examiner wants me to pick up on that. He wants me to pick up on the fact that magnesium has got 2 electrons on its outer shell. Chlorine has got 7 electrons on its outer shell. I've done me 7 there. So this 1 electron is going to go over to here to make it 8. But this one will have to go to another chlorine atom. So I need to address that in this question. I need to address, so there's the 6 of the chlorine. This one is going to go onto this outer shell to make 8. So I need to address the fact that I've used 1 magnesium atom, but it reacts with 2 chlorine atoms. So I'm just going to write 1 magnesium atom reacts with 2 chlorine atoms. Oops, sorry, hands get in the way. Then we're going to write Mg2 plus and 2 times Cl minus attract each other by strong electrostatic forces of attraction. Any questions? Just ask.